there are a lot of statistics about Python that show how Python is popular and that it's the most useful language to know in 2023. But actually be very careful about these statistics, because lots of jobs and freelance missions for Python developers are required to have a degree in biology or in mathematics or in artificial intelligence, because Python is used as many modules devoted to this specific field. So if you are not, if you don't have a degree in these fields, you are not the target, I would say, for this kind of jobs or freelance missions. Whereas with JavaScript, most jobs for JavaScript and most statistics concerning JavaScript developers concern front-end developers, back-end developers, or full-stack JavaScript developers. So be careful with the statistics that show that there are many jobs in Python, and it's very specialized job that you may not have access to because you don't have the right degree. Also, Python is easy to learn, but the syntax of Python is very specific. For example, you don't have curly brackets. You use indentation to create scopes. The syntax for creating functions or methods or classes are very specific. Whereas when you learn JavaScript, you learn the C syntax that is used in many other languages like Java, C#, C, and all these C-like languages. So if you learn JavaScript, you will be able to switch to other languages more easily. Last but not least, JavaScript is the language of the web because you have JavaScript engines inside browsers. So, okay, yeah, now it's possible to use Rust, for example, to compile your app to a WebAssembly module that then can be used by your browser. But it's 2023 now when I record this video, so this is the exception. The rule is that JavaScript is really what most dynamic sites are using. So if you need to have a site that has lots of interactions, that allows to access part of a page, to interact with it, to make animations, to use video players, or to detect your position, or to do many things that you usually do in apps, it relies on APIs that are provided by the browser, and APIs with which you can access and interact with using JavaScript. So to make a long story short, if you're a web developer, unless you use a framework like Django or Flask, which are excellent frameworks, but these are really niche frameworks. So if you want to be one of these developers who can apply to many jobs, then JavaScript is really the language to choose.